Spoken English Sentence denoting daily use ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାମ ଜାଣିପାରେ କି? ମେ ଆଇ ନ ୟର୍ ନେମ୍? ମେ ଆଇ ନ ୟର୍ ନେମ୍? ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି? ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ କମିଂ ଫ୍ରମ୍? ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ କମିଂ ଫ୍ରମ୍? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର କେଉଁଠି? Which place do you belong to? Which place do you belong to? ମୁଁ ମୂଳତଃ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରର ନିବାସୀ ମାତ୍ର ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ପାଇଁ କଟକରେ ରହୁଛି। Originally, I come from Baleshwar, but I have been living in Cuttack for my business. Originally, I come from Baleshwar, but I have been living in Cuttack for my business. ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ କରନ୍ତି? What business do you do? What business do you do? Or what is the nature of your business? What is the nature of your business? ମୋର ଏକ ବହି ଦୋକାନ ଅଛି। I have a bookstall. I have a bookstall. କଟକରେ ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠି ରୁହନ୍ତି? Where do you stay in Cuttack? Where do you stay in Cuttack? ମୁଁ କଟକର ବାଦାମବାଡ଼ିରେ ରହେ। I stay at ବାଦାମବାଡ଼ି in Cuttack. I stay at ବାଦାମବାଡ଼ି in Cuttack. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପରିବାରରେ କିଏ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି? Who are the members of your family? Who are the members of your family? ମୋ ପରିବାରରେ ମୋ ବାପା, ମା, ଭାଇ, ମୁଁ ନିଜେ, ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ, ମୋ ପିଲାମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। My family consists of my father, my mother, my brother, myself, my wife and children. My family consists of my father, my mother, my brother, myself, my wife and children. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପିଲାମାନେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲେଣି? Are your children grown up? Are your children grown up? ହଁ, ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ କଲେଜରେ, ସାନ ପୁଅ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି। Yes, the elder son is at college and the younger son is at school. Yes, the elder son is at college and the younger son is at school. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ୁଛି? What course has your eldest son taken? What course has your eldest son taken? ସେ କମର୍ସ କଲେଜରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ଏବଂ ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ହେବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ରଖିଛି। He is attending a commerce college and intends to be a chartered accountant. He is attending a commerce college and intends to be a chartered accountant. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାନ ପୁଅ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ୁଛି? In what standard is your younger son? In what standard is your younger son? ଏବେ ତ ସେ କେବଳ ଅଷ୍ଟମରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି। He is only in the 8th standard. He is only in the 8th standard. ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା କ'ଣ ରହିଛି? What is his attitude? What is his attitude? ଆପଣ ତ ତାକୁ କଲେଜ ପଢ଼ାଇବେ, ନୁହେଁ କି? You will send him to college, won't you? You will send him to college, won't you? ତା ଇଚ୍ଛା, ସେ ଯେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ପଢ଼ୁ। Yes, he is welcome to study as much as he likes. Yes, he is welcome to study as much as he likes. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମସ୍ଥାନ କେଉଁଠି? Where is your native place? Where is your native place? ମୋର ଜନ୍ମସ୍ଥାନ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର। My native place is ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର. My native place is ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର। ଆପଣ କେବେ ଏରୋପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି? Have you ever seen an aeroplane? Have you ever seen an aeroplane? ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଅନେକ ଥର ଦେଖିଛି। Yes sir, I have seen so many times. Yes, sir. I have seen so many times. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଆପଣ କେତେ ଖଣ୍ଡ ବହି ପଢ଼ିଛନ୍ତି? How many books have you read so far? How many books have you read so far? ମୁଁ 40ଟି ବହି ପଢ଼ିଛି. I have read 40 books. I have read 40 books. ଆପଣ ହାଇସ୍କୁଲ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କେବେ ପାସ୍ କଲେ? When did you pass your high school examination? When did you pass your high school examination? ମୁଁ 1999ରେ ହାଇସ୍କୁଲ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାସ୍ କଲି. I passed my high school examination in 1999. I passed my high school examination in 1999. ଆପଣ ଏଆଡ଼େ କେମିତି ଆସିଲେ? What brings you here? What brings you here? ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମାର କେବେ ପଢ଼ିଛନ୍ତି କି? Have you ever studied English grammar? Have you ever studied English grammar? ହଁ, ଅନେକ ଥର ପଢ଼ିଛି. Yes, I have studied so many times. I have studied so many times. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘଡ଼ିରେ ସମୟ କେତେ ହେଲା? What is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 10:30ଟା. It is 10:30 now. It is 10:30 now. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହ ମିଶିବାକୁ କେବେ ଆସିବି? When shall I come to see you? When shall I come to see you? ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାହିଁବେ ଆମେ ମିଶିବା. We will meet whenever you want. We will meet whenever you want. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ଦେଖା ହେବ. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. ପ୍ରିୟ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ହୋମୱାର୍କ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. ଏସବୁକୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ କରି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଅପ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. ତେବେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ହୋମୱାର୍କ ହେଲା, ଆଜିକାଲି ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠି ରହନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କିପରି ଅଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠି ଚାକିରି କରନ୍ତି? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପା ମା କିପରି ଅଛନ୍ତି? ସେଠାରେ କିଏ ଅଛି? ସେ କ'ଣ ଅଟନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ଦୟାକରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଦେବେ କି? ଆପଣ ସିନେମା ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଆସିବେ କି? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 10ଟା ବାଜିବାକୁ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ ବାକି ଅଛି. ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି କି? ଆପଣ କେବେ ଘୋଡ଼ା ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି? ଘୋଡ଼ା ଶୀଘ୍ର ଦୌଡ଼ିପାରେ. ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କେଉଁଠି ରୁହନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ଏତେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କାହିଁକି କରନ୍ତି? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଠିକଣା କ'ଣ?